Since the ancient times of rafts and canoes, water vehicles have come a long way. Water vehicles and vessels come in all kinds of crazy shapes and sizes. Have you ever considered having fun in a water vehicle? Some amazing luxury boats or small paddle boats can make your entire experience more interesting and adventurous. But what about the vehicles that can blow your mind? Do you want to explore? In this video, we will reveal some incredible water vehicles that are next level. Sit back and relax, as we are going to start with the first one. Number 1. Sea Breacher. The Sea Breacher is an advanced submarine that satisfies every alpha male fantasy. It is a high-performance personal watercraft designed to look and move like a dolphin or a shark. It has a top speed of 50 miles per hour and a maximum depth of 5 feet when diving. Have you ever thought of this kind of water vehicle before? Despite its impressive length of 16 feet and weight of 1,315 pounds, the Sea Breacher is a novel watercraft that has never been seen before. Surprisingly, it resembles a real shark because it is a cross between a submarine and a hydrocycle. Does it move like a shark in the water? Any idea of how deep it can travel? Its movements are precisely controlled by mechanical fins similar to a shark's. It can go 5 feet underwater and jump more than 11.5 feet above the water. For better underwater vision, it has external cameras with digital zoom. It is surely amusing, isn't it? Let's jump to the second one. Number 2. Jet Capsule. Jet Capsule is a one-of-a-kind and innovative watercraft for people who care about comfort, style, and speed. It is a boat that looks like something from the future. It can be used as a private water taxi or a luxury yacht. It has an eco-friendly design and hydrogen propulsion technology. What's more about this water vehicle? The small, shell-shaped boat moves at 32 to 62 knots thanks to a combination of Hamilton jet drives and Yanmar diesel engines that produce between 370 and 1,040 horsepower. The onboard air conditioning system creates an ideal environment regardless of the weather. An air-conditioned water vehicle! Simply amazing. A jet capsule is a small luxury water vehicle. A party of friends can be transported in comfort to an island, where they can spend the night on board. It is small enough to minimize the high costs of being kept in a port, a fully customizable interior with beds, luxurious accessories like mood lighting, a sun deck, and a tiny kitchen and bathroom. It seems like a complete package. Well, it absolutely is. Number 3. Flyboard Air. The Flyboard Air is another next-level water vehicle controlled by the rider's movements. Leaning forward causes the device to accelerate, and tilting back causes it to slow down and move back. The rider also uses a remote control in his or her hand to change how hard the engines push. Can you imagine the power of Flyboard Air? Flyboard Air is considered a personal aviation transport. It is powered by 5 small jet engines that add up to 1,500 horsepower. It can fly at speeds up to around 110 miles per hour, has enough kerosene fuel in its backpack to last for about 10 to 12 minutes, and has the potential to soar up to 10,000 feet. But only if you carry enough fuel. Water sports freaks will love to ride this. Will you? The Flyboard Air can land and take off from any location. If you were wondering, the Flyboard Air on a jet ski is the original flyboard. The Flyboard Air has gotten much attention because it could be used in many fields, such as transportation, search and rescue, and military activities. But because of safety and legal concerns, it can only be used by experts who are trained to do so. That's a bit sad that everyone can't enjoy it. Let's see the next one. Number 4. Platypus. Platypus is an incredible watercraft that can navigate both above and below water. This prototype has electric engines made by Torqeedo that let it go as fast as 10 knots on the surface. Put your seatbelt on. You can dive with just a push-the-button action at 12 knots with just 2 9.9 horsepower gas engines. Put the Ocean Reef facial mask on your face and press the downward-facing button to descend to the surface. Would you like to know more about the Platypus? Platypus is a catamaran with a platform in the middle that the passengers must cross. 2 pivoting arms join the platform on either side of the 2 hulls, which may be hydraulically lowered under the sea. So, the users can move both above and below the water's surface, thanks to a built-in air compressor that gives them oxygen. Ever thought of exploring deep waters? The hookah system NARDI allows you to explore shallow waters while breathing in the open water without a tank. You can use the platypus as a platform for actual diving because the pilot can see the surface thanks to a digital periscope and 360-degree cameras at the surface that are connected to a waterproof screen. This water vehicle is not risky at all. Let's see the fifth one on our list. Number 5. Cormorant K7. The Cormorant K7 is a sleek and innovative water vehicle that can switch between a monohull, a catamaran, and a trimaran. The K7 can travel at up to 45 knots and is built to offer a stable and comfortable ride no matter the state of the water. What's inside the watercraft? The Cormorant K7 is also full of fun technology, like a touchscreen control system that makes it easy for the driver to control every part of the boat's work. Some of the other features are a retractable hydrofoil system, adjustable cockpit seating, and a luxurious interior cabin. That's amazing! How fast can the vehicle travel? Any guesses? The luxury watercraft's 493 horsepower triple jet drive allows it to reach its top speed at 45 miles per hour, 70 kilometers per hour, traveling up to NMI 200 kilometers. 2 rear passengers can relax on a leather seat behind the pilot while taking in the luxurious interior. Cormorant designed an intelligent lighting system that guides the pilot through the night, while red LEDs and aquamarine strip lighting provide a serene atmosphere. That's surely going to be endless fun. Number 6. HYSWAS cabin boats. HYSWAS cabin boats are built to satisfy lovers who wish for something more than a weekend boat. It is a small boat that can give its owners luxury, comfort, speed, and a wide range of options. You can spend more time in the sea and participate in maritime sports with the new 35 and 42 cabins. What's the best use for this vehicle? Any comments? The perfect water vehicle is for quick trips, extended fishing expeditions, and relaxing time on the water. The effective hydrofoil system in the tunnel between 2 demi-hulls is the main idea underlying the HydroCat. The design comprises 2 smaller wings supporting a major wing in front of the length, focusing on the keel height. During the flight, the wing's dynamic lift forces lift part of the catamaran out of the water. The 2 flotation chambers make it easier to move through the water than monohulls. Even though it rides lower on the water, the hulls produce lateral stability and maintain core stability during the voyage. What does it feel like to ride on it? You can enjoy a softer, smoother ride than a traditional boat because you can reach high speeds and move quickly, even with small horsepower engines. What are your thoughts regarding these water vehicles at the next level? Do you want to try out some of these watercrafts? We would love to see your comments. Until next time.